Hi, I'm Liz. I'm going to be making ice cream for the project.
Hi, my name is Melanie Maya, and today we're going to make ice cream.
So first, I'm going to start off with putting 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a cup of half and half milk into a Ziploc bag and sealing it. Okay, so this is half cup of half and half milk, and I'm pouring it into the Ziploc bag, trying not to spill it. And this is 1 tablespoon of sugar, putting into it the bag. I don't have vanilla extract, but it'll be fine. So now I'm gonna seal it tight, and I'm gonna shake it so it's evenly distributed. I'm gonna shake it a little bit to mix this correctly.
Okay, so first we started off with 2 gallon Ziploc bags and 2 sandwich or quart Ziploc bags. After that, we measured all of our ingredients that we were going to include in this project. Excuse me if you hear me coughing, it's because I've been sick. And the ingredients that we used was half and half, sugar, ice, rock salt. We used rock salt because the results most of the time turn better with that type of salt, because if you use different types of salts, you could get different types of results. So we used rock salt. We also used vanilla extract. That is all. That is everything that we used. Then after we put all of the ingredients except salt in the quart or sandwich bag, we add all of that. After that, we get our gallon bags and we put ice and salt on it, and then we close our little little sandwich Ziploc bag.
We did a mixture of 4 cups of ice and half a cup of salt put into the Ziploc bag. So now I'm going to put the small Ziploc bag with milk and sugar into the ice bag like this, and I'm going to seal it up, and now I'm going to shake it for 5 minutes. And I'm just scooping out. I already started scooping it out to different cups. So here you go. Cheers. So I'm going to be answering question A. What chemistry concepts are part of the experiment, I guess? I'm going to be reading off a sticky note I made. So some chemistry concepts that I noticed or that was shown was the ice cream showed a chemical change right when like it turned into, it was like a liquid and then it turned into a solid. I'm pretty sure that was because the heat was being released. Makes sense? Because like we were shaking it like for 5 minutes, and then molecules were basically being released because they were moved, and yeah.
I'll be answering question B. So first of all, the ice cream is a mixture, The reason being why it's a mixture is because it turned from a liquid to a more solid density. The nature of the substance was it was like it was somewhat smooth to how ice cream is. I think that maybe it would have been smoother if we shaked it a bit more. It would have been a more solid consistency. But that's the answer to question B.
So I'm going to be answering question C. Question C is the freezing point depression, which is basically the Celsius and Fahrenheit degrees. So I believe, or I'm pretty sure, the ice cream freezing depression point was -4 degrees Celsius, and then the Fahrenheit was 27 degrees Fahrenheit. And is salt essential for this experiment? Salt is important for this experiment because salt basically lowers the freezing point of the ice cream, which is what makes ice cream and thickens it.
Okay, so I will be answering question D. So the first question is, how did our experiment go? Our experiment went great. It went excellent. The outcome was exactly the same as how the results were supposed to be. I tasted it. It tasted great. It tasted really, really good. It tasted just like the Bluebell homemade vanilla ice cream. I think that was my favorite part of the project. I think my least part of the project was shaking the bag for 5 minutes. Almost got a cramp in my arm. I don't think I would change anything about this project because it came out just like an ice cream would.